Vishnu, Vishnu, Vishnu. Mathruka Nyasam. Sri Maatre Namaha. When you say Maatre Namaha, I am saying you are the one who is going to protect me. You are the one who is giving life to me. So these are called Akaradik Shakaranta Mathruka Varnarupini Lalita Ambikaya Namaha. And in Lalita Sahasranam, then Strodvala Akshamala Ridhara Rudirasam Sita. Letter syllable is pronounced. Suppose Ma. Para Pashyanti Madhyama Vaikari Rupa. Para. Before you release the sound Ma, the thought of releasing the sound Ma comes from here. You are not experiencing that state Para. No sound, no movement. Then the thought materializes, your nerves and muscles ready to say, you know that you are going to say Ma, but the sound is not visible, not audible. Pashyanti, I know that I can feel the movements. It's not complete. Madhyama. The completeness is given by the Mathruka. Plus A. Ma. Para happens at Mooladhara. Pashyanti. Madhyama. And then it collects the vowels from the Vishuddhi Chakra. And then say Ma. Ka. Na. Da. That's how we speak. The actual life is the Mathrukas. So having said that, there are many ways of doing the japa. You can have a japamala. I know I already told what is the distractions we have. Tulsi japamala is good. Crystal japamala is good. More powerful. Rudraksha is more powerful. Rudraksha cannot be used for Lakshmi because that is Shiva. So much overloaded. So I won't go towards japamala. And all the while looking for the big bead. Oh, I have been reciting for half an hour till this. Oh, this is close. So let's not go to that. Then the second one is mentally reciting, but you put an alarm, you count how many rounds you can finish in 5 minutes, calculate for 1 hour. So 1 hour, you don't think about anything, put the alarm, that's it. Apart from that, the most powerful is Mathruka Nyasa. That means putting the syllable before and after the mantra and visualizing that aksharas, matrukas in your chakra. A to aha here, ka to ta here, then da to fa here, ba to la here, wa to sa, ha, sha. These are the letters as a separate subject. So, example, Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Im Om Namah Shivaya Im. Like that, you put that Matru, Bijakshara, before and after. Like that, you go to Ksha, the last letter in the Sanskrit syllable. Ksham Om Namah Shivaya Ksham. Now the actual process starts. You have to come back from Ksha to A. Ksham Om Namah Shivaya Ksham. Hum Om Namah Shivaya Ksham. Hum Sam Sham Sham Vam Lam Ram Yam Vam. Like that you go back. This is very powerful because 4 actions need to take place. You need to remember the letter. You need to see the letter in the Devanagari script. You need to feel the color of the petal. And you need to remember the Sampudikarna, pudding. So because it involves a lot of focus, it's a yoga for mind. And that's why Mathruka Nyasam is the most powerful japa anybody can do. My Guruji used to say, if you do Mathruka Nyasam, if you say Om Namah Shivaya it is equal to 100 Om Namah Shivayas. Because I need to visualize the petal here, not on the neck. Draw a line from the top to the bottom, horizontal line, and then they intersect at a point, around that you imagine 16 petals, and that petal is be blue in color in the Devanagari. So much. So it's not like you read fast. Om Namah Shivaya, and then you feel the petal vibrating with the live energy. Then you go to the next petal. Then you like that you light. You feel like lighting the lamps inside. So Mathruka Nyasam, you can do japam to any mantra, Varahi mantra, whether in which you are initiated. Even if you are not initiated, mantras like Om Namo Narayanaya, Om Namah Shivaya, that also you can practice. It's always good.